Farakka Barrage with Railcom Road Bridge, the only surface communication link to northeastern region of India with the rest of the country including Bhutan and Nepal in West Bengal, is open to traffic in the year 1972. In 2012, vehicular traffic was 3,000 vehicles per day, but now it is 10,000 and beyond, thus creating a traffic gridlock. This increasing traffic necessitated constructing a new bridge on River Ganga to ease the congestion of the traffic, which will be the gateway for the entry of north and northeast from southern parts of the state. The proposed project, 5.468 km long on National Highways 34 with 2.58 km twin two-lane bridges, is taken up by National Highways Authority of India and entrusted CQCERKEC joint venture the construction work. Scope of work includes design and construction of a pipe culvert, a VUP, a box culvert, a major bridge, a minor bridge, a VUP, a pipe culvert and a box culvert in sequence at respective locations. This project facilitates congestion-free traffic mobility, comfort and convenience along with safer travel with socio-economic benefits to the society at large. All the materials used for the construction of this bridge are made in India. This project will generate direct employment of about 21.03 lakh man-days during construction. About 1,30,000 cubic meters of concrete, 20,000 tons of rebars and 6,500 tons of structural steel is being used for the construction of the bridge. This presentation gives a brief sequence of activities and contractors' approach involved in the construction of this prestigious project. The site temporary facilities include construction of site offices, accommodation for staff and workers, installation of batching plants and establishment of casting yards on both the sides of the bridge. The bridge is founded on 1.5 meter diameter, 55 meter deep, 548 number of piles, 88 number pile caps, 88 numbered piers of 2.5 meter diameter and 88 number pier caps. After completion of pile foundations, the pile caps, piers and pier caps shall be constructed. Specially designed spherical bearings shall then be placed. The main bridge is 43 spans of 60 meter each with 20 segments, each span making it to a total of 1,720 segments. The precast and cured segment arrived to site on a flat deck truck. The lifting bracket is placed on the segment, fixed. Using the trolley crane on the launching girders, the segment is lifted and is then trolleyed into the position that is going to be in for the permanent configuration, and the segments are secured in position. The post-tensioning cables are threaded from one side of the span to the other side of the span and are then stressed with suitable hydraulic jacks. Using purpose-made 2 numbers launching girders, the construction of the bridge is taken up from Farakka and Malda sides simultaneously. All the works are being executed in a safe and healthy environment by a team of experienced engineers, technicians and workers. Fulfilling the electrical and ancillary requirements, crash barriers, handrails and other road furniture shall be provided. An administration building for National Highways Authority of India shall also be constructed at Malda, which completes the assignment.